Home Remedies presents 5 proven home remedies to get thicker eyelashes naturally. Who doesn't love those long and thick eyelashes? As eyelash extensions are on the rise and more people reach for falsies daily, it's obvious that long, strong and thick eyelashes are one of the most desired beauty traits. In today's video, we will see the natural ways to grow your lashes and enhance their thickness. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the remedy to grow lashes naturally. Castor oil. Castor oil not just help you to grow thicker eyelashes, it will prevent them from falling out. Just mix 3 drops of coconut oil with 3 drops of castor oil and apply it gently on your lashes with a cotton tip. Make sure you do it every night before going to bed. Wash it off in the morning. Green tea. Take a cotton ball and apply cool, unsweetened green tea to the eyelashes. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the most effective and efficient hacks to get long lashes. Take little extra virgin olive oil in a cotton swab and apply it to your lashes every night before going to bed. Wash it off in the morning. Coconut oil. This magical oil is gentle and safe to use on your lashes. Mix coconut oil with extra virgin olive oil and gently apply it with a clear mascara wand on your lashes. Make sure you do it every night before going to bed. Wash it off in the morning. Aloe vera gel. For thick and long eyelashes, apply aloe vera gel on your lashes before going to bed and wash it off in the morning. Try these remedies and let me know which had worked for you the best. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.